Hi, I'm Thomas, and in this clip I will be showing you of how to install the Grain2Pixel, both of the standard edition and the Pro edition. You just go to the Grain2Pixel website with the download sections and go to download the Grain2Pixel wherever you use it. And you just saved it to where you want it to be situated. So in this case, I will go to the document, saved, and then right away it is situated in the document. If you want it to be situated on the location, you just do it yourself. You're going to, let me show you the root file here. Going to the Grain2Pixel directory and go Grain2Pixel assets, and you can see the DC raw emu convert. And right away you click open. This application can't be open. It's normal when you're not fixed the permission of this thing. Also, another one that essential to this task is a DC raw underscore emu, which is also can't be open. It's just showing the code, even though it's not the code. It's an executable file. So what you have to do, you're just going to this first, click show package content, MacOS and applet. This one is executable file, responsible for converting your raw file into the TIFF file of the DC raw. So what you have to do, you just open the terminal. If you don't know where to open it, you just go into the application folder and utility and go to the terminal. You just type in chmod +x and then drag the file or the applet into, just to make sure that you press the space bar for one time before you pasting the applet file, and you hit enter, and then it convert into executable file, which is obviously going to make this can be open. So you right click and open. It will ask you for one time for this permission, and you just hit open, and you try to open it again. It will show up in the dock that it is open but nothing happened, but it is completely executable here. Another one, the DC raw emu. Follow the same instruction, chmod +x, and then space bar for one time before pasting the DC raw emu directory into this one, and hit enter. And you can see it's executable file. When you try to open it, it will execute the DC raw. All the parameter of the command line is become available here. So let's try to open it again. You can see it is a DC raw. So if it opened correctly, it should be showing something like this, dash whatever thing. That's a part of fixing a permission, doing these two files first. And then I'm going to open the Photoshop and go to the file script. Just click browse and then navigate into document or whatever location you save the Grain2Pixel, and just selected the Grain2Pixel JSX bin. When you open it, it will show up this thing. So let's try to convert something. I will picking some of a NEF file. Happen to be booked on here. And also try to set the destination of this file. Test. And save to 48 bits. A sampling, simple crop, keep file, smart, GPP engine, and hit run. Executable, normally, it will going to show that, and the file will happen to show inside the Windows. Just selected the crop and hit enter, and there you go. The conversion is complete. Sometimes a machine has the problem of giving permission to the file that being write to the disk. So what you have to do, you have to navigate to the system preferences and go to the security and privacy And I'm going to unlock this password. Go to the full disk access. Sometimes it has a problem, so you're just going to add some couple more of the applications here. Obviously, sometimes it has to be added into Photoshop to give a full write disk access. And also the DC raw emule that we just install there. This one. By adding this, you give a full permission for it, so it doesn't have the problem in the future where it will ask you a permission. There you go, the Grain2Pixel plugin installed on the Macintosh.